Hello and welcome to the paper boat tutorial. This is A4 standard paper and I'll show you step by step how to make paper boats. Then we'll see if they can float. Time for some magic.
Peter, there is a deep magic more powerful than any of us.
There's no such thing as magic.
We know you don't believe in magic.
Okay, let's do it without magic. Okay, let's get started. I've colored the margins with black so you can see better how I fold. You fold the paper in half and make a crease in the middle. Then you fold it again in half and now you have a guiding crease that will help you for the next fold. You bring the right corner down at the middle like this. And then the left corner. Align them well and make the crease for both. Now bring the lower part up and fold it like this. Then turn it around and bring again the lower part up. Now fold the corners, one inside and one outside in each part. Then pull from both parts like this and press it down to arrange it. Bring the lower corner all the way up and fold. Then do it again with the other side. Press it well. And now pull from both parts and press it like this. Open it and arrange it. Press it well against the table. Open it and arrange it. Now you have a boat. Let's recap with another one faster, and then at the end we'll see if they can float. Let's make a blue one. Follow throughout the step-by-step instructions. Fold in half. Then fold it again in half to have the guiding crease. Fold the right corner down and then the left corner down. Fold the lower side up on both sides. Fold the corners, one inside and one outside, and again here. Now pull from the middle and fold the lower half up on both sides. Now pull from the middle, press, and pull from both parts. Arrange it and then open it. And the blue one is ready. If you like this content, find it useful and want more, take a second to subscribe. I upload video tutorials on different crafts and hobbies like origami, drawing and paracord. You can use the notification bell. While I do the red one on fast forward and before testing if they can float, please let me know in the comments how was this tutorial. Did you manage to get it right easily? Is it explained properly? I want to know how to improve for future videos. I will answer to your questions in the comment section if you have any. I also want to let you know that in the video description there are links to things I use for my hobbies and crafts and in everyday life. These are affiliate links, and if you use them, you will support this channel. And the red one is ready. Congrats! You've just learned how to make a paper boat. We created together 3 paper boats. Now let's see if they can float. Yes, they do float. However, this is paper and it will get wet quickly. In a video next week, I plan to share a trick that you can use to make a paper boat that can resist in water much longer. Thanks for watching and see you soon.